Hi dear friends, today I'm going to make podi or gunpowder as you call it. So mine got over, so I thought I'll share the recipe with you. And please do watch till the end. Podi takes little time and patience, but the end result is very nice. You'll enjoy with having it with idli, dosha, and you can have it with ghee also, like hot idlis. Pour the ghee and then put this podi and enjoy. You don't need any sambar or chutney also. Okay, so please do try this recipe out and come. Let me take you to my kitchen. We'll start over there. So dear friends, we will start making the podi, the idli podi or the dosha, and it's also called the gunpowder, like generally it's known. So for that we need many dals, that is the pulses. So I will start showing you one by one. First we are putting this yellow moong dal. This is half cup like that. Then tur dal. This is also same measurement. Chana dal also we will put in same. And then we also have the urad dal. Now these four dal we need to fry on low flame. Making podi needs patience, so you have to do very patiently. You need to fry all these pulses or the dals that we call in Hindi. Okay, so let's start making now. I'll just take a spatula and we'll start frying. So now I have kept the heat on low to medium. You need to fry, and this takes long time, like I told you. So very patiently you need to do. This podi I have been wanting to make it long, but then I had the podi, so I didn't make it. I just remembered that one of my cousin had asked me for this recipe, so the recipe is for her. If she watches this, she can see how it is. She and one more cousin of mine have been very devotedly seeing my channel. Thank you, both of you. So now I am going to fry this for some time. I can't show you the whole time of frying, so I pause the video here. Now I've been frying this for about 5 minutes, but it is not done. You still have to fry further. The flame is on medium now, and now again we keep it on sim. Now over here we are going to add few whole red chilies. Red chilies you can add according to your spice tolerance. So I will be adding here about 8 to 10. You can add according to your. Yeah. So in our house mostly we have spice a little more, so that's why. And please remember, we need to fry this very nicely. All the dals and the other things that we are going to add further, we need to fry it nicely, because this can be stored up to 6 months to 1 year if you are frying it correctly and keeping it in an airtight container. So this is now the whole red chilies. Now the flame again it's on low only. Now we will add peppercorns and jeera. This is like 3 teaspoons of jeera and 3 teaspoons of peppercorns. So we need to fry this also. All this are being done in low flame. Like I told you, podi needs a lot of patience. So some people buy it from out saying, why to do so much, mehnat, so much hard work. But then homemade is homemade. You can never get the same taste like you make at home. Okay, over here now next step we have to add is the lot of curry leaves. Here I have curry leaves which are pat dried and kept. So here we need somehow handful of curry leaves. Now we will keep on frying till the curry leaves become dry. Then we know that everything is ready. The dal also is ready. The whole red chilies also will be ready. Now again I will pause the video, like it will take long time again, at least another 5 minutes. So I am going to pause the video here. Now it's done. You can see when you take out one curry leaves, it will get powdered like this. That means it is ready. Now we need to transfer it to another plate or bowl, and because now we have one more ingredient to fry, and that is rice. Rice is optional. If you like, you can do it, but I always do rice because it gives a nice texture to the podi. Rice gets very quickly heated up, so this will take only about 2 minutes to do. So I will just fry this for 2 minutes and I'll get back to you. Okay, now the rice is done, like you can see. I hope you can see. This is how the color changes of the rice. Now I will switch off the gas and allow all these ingredients to cool down. And to this, when we are grinding dry roast, without the mixie, we need to dry powder it to a fine powder or a slightly coarse powder, as you wish. And that time we will add the salt and hing. Hing, that is, in Malayalam it's called kayam and in English it's called asupachariya. So that we need to add. So I'll pause the video once again. Now the dals have become warm and now we can grind it. We have to grind it in part by part because I made large quantity. If you are making in a small jar, then the small dry chutney jar will do. So now I am going to just show you. Here this is. I just pour it with a spoon. Now before putting this, I forgot to tell you, we need to remove the what you call this crown of the chilies. That we don't need. So now let's do it with my hand. Spoon is taking longer time. So now part by part we are grinding. So let's see. Now we need to add salt to this and little bit of hing. So hing adds a very nice flavor to the podi. So now I'm adding salt. And then hing. For this lot you need about 1/4 teaspoon. I often make, so I'm not using the spoon, but I know how the measurement goes. Now we'll close the jar and grind it. So I'm grinding it. I'll just show you for a few seconds only. Sorry. This is how it will look. So here is the podi that is ready. You can store in an airtight container and use it up to 6 months to 1 year according to your need.